Okay, so can you guys see my screen now?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
It's good. Okay, so recap lang tayo sa ginawa namin last meeting. So of course, I have introduced to them yung mga nandito last meeting, yung page natin, kung ano yung laman, of course, the welcoming page, course delivery, which is of course ODL since hindi naman na tayo nga piece-piece kagaya ng dati. And then we have the course overview right here, which you can also find on your syllabus. Okay, dito sa syllabus tab, nandito rin yung course learning outcomes. So, kung hindi nyo pa nasisilip itong syllabus mo, make sure na tignan nyo muna to para alam nyo yung mga topics na i-discuss natin in the future. Okay, so yung class hours natin, yung pangalan ng instructor nyo, yung contact details ng SEA, yung email ng instructor nyo, yung course description. So I will leave the reading part to you guys, okay? And of course, the course learning outcomes. So basically, the course learning outcomes is just the, the coverage or maybe the topics that we're going to discuss from midterms to finals. So CLO1 or etong course learning outcomes 1 natin is mostly for midterms hanggang sa pangalawa. Okay? Actually, hanggang pangatlo pala. And then for the last one, CLO4, okay, ito, ang covered lang na ito is yung finals mismo. So for course learning outcomes 1, 2, 3 midterms, and then for the finals, ito lang, design user interface, code, debug. So basically programming na to. Okay, so yun lang naman for CLO. And then here's for the course content. So as you guys may already know, we are only 6 weeks, actually 6.5 weeks, but the 0.5 will be allotted for the exams. So 1 day for the midterm exam and then 1 day for final exam. So that's the reason why we have 0.5 right here. But for the 6 weeks, that's time that, or yeah, the days or weeks that we're going to have a discussion. So for the week 1 to week 3, so of course, happy na lang naman yon, midterms. And then week 4, 5, and 6 will be for the finals. So for the week 1, okay, hanggang week 2, okay, may module 1 hanggang module 3, nagawa ko na yung mga recorded videos ng discussion, okay, yung mga lessons. So all you need to do is watch that one. Kaya lahat ng mga meetings natin for maybe first 4 meetings natin is short lang. Ito, mga 30 minutes meeting lang. But for the, ito, chapter 4 na kasi ito, itong week 2. So maybe that would be on Thursday na. Okay, na madidiscuss natin yung chapter 4 or module 4. So we're going to have a live discussion. Okay, kasi hindi ko pa nagawa yung recorded video for that topic. So maybe we'll consume maybe 2 hours and 30 minutes only. Okay? Or tingnan natin kung gaano tayo kabilis matatapos yung buong module 4. So ang topics natin doon is number systems, okay, and data representation. And for the week 3, so siguro magkakaroon kayo ng mga 2 meetings. Okay? 2 meetings na walang gagawin. Well, actually, yung 2 days na yun na parang wala kang gagawin, yun yung time na parang ibibigay ko na extension nyo para matapos yung mga laboratories, yung mga activities na hindi nyo pa natapos before the midterm exam. Okay? And then, bago pala kayo mag-midterm exam, ibibigay ko na yung installer, okay? Or yung mga dapat nyong gawin bago mag-finals. Para kapag nag-finals na, ready na kayo and then prepared na kayo and then, ayun. So, ready na kayo sa pag-program. So, dito sa week 4 and 5, ready naman na yung first module ng finals. So, yung last 2 module na ito, so magkakaroon ulit tayo ng live discussion. Okay, so, yeah, expect na magkakaroon tayo ng meeting every meeting of our class. So, Monday, Tuesday, Friday, and then Wednesday, Saturday. So, maybe 2 to 3 meetings a week or maybe 2 meetings a week. So, ganun. Ganun yung routine natin. Okay, magkakaroon tayo lagi ng parang recap or check-up sa mga activities nyo. Okay? And then, of course, some announcement and additional sa mga dinidiscuss natin. Okay, and again, regarding with the basis of evaluation, so alam nyo na to, of course, meron tayong discussions, quizzes, assignments, and then examinations. So 50% for those discussions, quizzes, and assignments. So ito yan, yung class standing. And then 50% for the midterm exam. Okay? And then also 50% for the final exam. Okay? So basically, magkaparehas lang yan, midterm sa tentative final score. Pero dito yung computation ng pinaka-final score nyo. So we will get 1/3 of your midterm score and then 2/3 of your tentative final score. So take note. So na-update ko na. So in UC, we always have a passing score of 60%. Okay. Yan. Yes, Miss Kyla May. Pindot nila. So again, 60% yung passing score sa UC. So dapat laging 6 out of 10 or 60 out of 100 yung goal nyo. Okay? So that's equivalent to 75. So yeah, yun lang naman sa syllabus. And then for the modules, so last week, diniscuss lang namin to module 0 or week 0 and then week 1. Okay, so I hope lahat kayo is nakapagpasa na neto. So as of now, there's only 12, okay, who submitted a 1-minute video. So I hope kahit man lang siguro 30, siguro may mga hindi makakapagpasa pa rin. Pero I hope mostly of you will be able to do this one. Because in that way, I'll be able to learn more about you and I'll be able to, know your expectations regarding with this subject. Okay, so please do this one before May 11. So 1-minute video lang naman. So saglit na saglit lang yan. Okay, your name, location, yung mga gadget na gamit mo, and then yung connection mo, and then your expectation. And then bahala ka na sa others kung anong gusto mo idagdag. Okay, and then for the week 1, so last meeting na discuss na namin to, pero ulitin ko na lang for the sake of, sa ibang hindi naka-attend last meeting. So again, every week laging meron tayong overview. So dapat ito yung unang-una yung china-check. Okay? Kasi dito nyo malalaman yung mga topic learning outcomes and yung mga list of topics na nasa loob ng week na yun. Okay? So for this week 1, module 1, so here are the topic or TLOs. And then here's the list of topics. And then we have here the learning resources. So ito yung dapat yung puntahan, lalo na kapag papanoorin niyo yung discussion, okay, ng module 1. Kasi dito ko nilagay yung link. Ito mismo, itong video materials. So dito nyo mapapanood yung video na in-upload ko way back 2020 pa. So yeah, just watch this 45-minute video. So this will discuss the entire module 1. Okay. So ito naman. And for the so kung kulang sa inyo yung parang nagfi-feedback. Okay, so mute muna kita, Miss Shasia. Nagfi-feedback kasi. Okay, so for the ebook, okay, kung kulang sa inyo yung parang information na nakuha nyo sa PowerPoint or the PDF, ito, or sa video na napanood nyo, well, you can click this one and then find more information regarding with this ebook. So mostly naman dito nang galing. So 70% to 80% of my presentation came from this. So kung gusto mo pa ng more information, maybe you can search on the internet. Okay? Or you can check this one first. Kasi ito na yung pinaka-straightforward na explanation mismo ng module 1 natin. Okay? So yeah, dun lang naman sa overview. Are we clear so far? Were you guys able to follow? Hello? So nakakasunod kayo?
Yes, sir.
So binibilisan ko kasi ang goal ko is short nga lang, diba? So at least man lang 30 minutes. Okay, anyway, so that's it for the overview. And then sa mga hindi, syempre rin, since nandito kayo, alam nyo na kung saan pupunta para makita yung link. So sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam, sabihin nyo na lang sa kanila, okay, kung hindi pa nila alam, dito lagi mahanapan yung link for the Zoom meeting. Okay? For the week 1, ito. And week 1 pa rin to. Okay? But module 2 na. So nandito naman to. Anyway, sinabi ko naman kanina na the link can be found on week 1 module 2 and then Zoom links for synchronous class meeting. So click nyo lang yan and then pupunta kayo dito. So notice that we have part 2 and part 3. So yes, mangyayari to kapag meron na tayong live discussion. Pero ngayon kasi, ready na yung mga videos for the module 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so magkakaroon tayo ng mahabang discussion or meeting for this coming module 4. Okay, maybe next week. Okay, so what else? For the watch videos, so dito ko nilalagay. Okay, so dito ko nilalagay yung mismong diniscuss ko. Okay, and then yung recorded Zoom meeting links. Okay, so last meeting, wala nga pala last meeting kasi hindi ko na-record. So kaya blank ko tong recorded Zoom meeting links natin. Pero ito yung discussion, okay, ng module 1. And I have also prepared here isang internal wherein nasa Canvas mismo siya, itong computer basics. And then 2 external website wherein, just click this one and then it will lead you to, so naka-block siya sa Canvas, click nyo lang siya mismo. So it will lead you to this website. So ito lang naman yung mga basic na, well, I think alam nyo na to, super alam nyo na to. Like, 9 out of 10, kahit hindi mo nyo na siguro aralin, makukuha nyo ito 90% or 100%. Ikita mo din, sir, parang na lang ulit yung recorded video. Okay, so yeah, it's okay, Miss Leal Christine Elizabeth. So just watch the recorded meeting later. So ganun din sa quizzes. So this is just another site wherein you can practice, okay, about basic computers. So type nyo lang dito, okay, kung ano yung mga gusto nyong hanapin. Well, actually, same lang din naman sa Proofrops. Pwede kayong maghanap ng category. Okay, napakarami dito. And yeah, so those are just preparations before your official quiz. So this is just 30 points. So nasabi ko na rin kanina sa announcement that you're going to have your first quiz tomorrow, okay, May 8. So what time will this one will be available? So class hours, so 11:30 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. So dun lang siya available. Okay, though nakaset pa rin to ng 1 hour lang yata or 2 hours. Pero kapag di mo siya na-take within that time, 11:30 a.m. to 3:30 p.m., hindi mo na siya matitake pa. Okay, so take note na dapat i-take mo tong quiz na to tomorrow at exactly 11:30 a.m. hanggang 3:30 p.m. Alright? And then for the case study, so I guess hindi na kailangang ipaliwanag to kasi kayo mismo yung iintindi. So ito yung para magiging discussion na lang natin. Kumbaga, ito sana yung magiging ang tawag dito. Parang participation mo sa klase, parang ganun na lang. Ano bang kinakatamang term? Kung paano ka makipag-collaborate, kung paano ka makipag-interact sa mga klase mo, parang ganun. Kasi pwede kang mag-reply actually. So kung gusto nyo mag-reply sa mga ibang kaklase nyo, like I agree, blah, 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 ganyan. Or I disagree, blah, 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 ganyan. Okay. Though hindi naman siya mandatory. Kaya okay lang na your own opinion lang. Like ito may mga nakapag-submit na. So it is only their own opinion. But you can reply with their opinions if you want. So actually that's better. Okay, kasi ito yung para magiging collaboration nyo sa isa't isa. Okay? So hindi lang messenger, hindi lang ano man yung ibang means for us to communicate with each other. So ito naman sa school, okay, gamit tong discussion na to. Okay, so do this one also. The due date of this one is May 14. So meron, mahaba pa naman yung oras nyo. Meron pa kayong 7 days, actually 1 week pa yan. So this is 50 points. Okay? So actually, mas mataas pa siya sa quiz. Pero of course, mas mataas ang percentage nito sa computation sa overall nyo. Since ito is like under assignment or seat breaks lang. But this one is quiz. Okay? So, yeah. And then for the lab 1 and lab 2, iiwanan ko na ito sa inyo. Understandable naman siya, self-explanatory naman once na nabasa nyo na. Okay, so that's your task or your goal already as a student to understand the instruction. So kung hindi pa rin clear, so feel free to ask me anytime. So you can message me to the Canvas or to my Facebook account. Okay. So yeah, that's it for the week 1 module 1. So are we clear so far?
Sir.
So again, if you guys have clarifications or questions, so feel free to ask me. Okay. I don't eat people. Okay. Okay, so for the week 1 module 2, okay, so week 1 ba rin siya pero module 2 na. Okay, just another module, another overview, another of course another PDF, another watch videos, and another practice quizzes, and then another laboratory. So I hope you guys have already visited this one. So lab 3. Okay, so I have a important announcement regarding with your lab 3. So in lab 3, kung nakikita nyo to, sabi kasi dito, di ba? Take a screenshot by pressing the print screen key and paste it on this page by pressing Ctrl V buttons. So that doesn't mean that you have to take a screenshot of this one. Okay. So what this one means is you have to screenshot the own or your own version of your Microsoft Word. So ito kasi 2004 pa yata to or 2007, if I'm not mistaken. Sirs Affiliated Organization. Ano yan, Miss Leal? Sa akin ba yan? Sa lab number 2 ba yan? Kapag wala pa, okay, so ilagay nyo lang NA. Okay, not available. Okay lang yun. Or just leave it blank. Or actually, pwede mo na lang tanggalin yun. Wala talaga. Okay. Pero kung gusto mong i-follow yung format, so lagay mo lang doon NA. Okay. Ito lang yung pinaka-proper. Okay. NA. Yan. Okay. So again, ulitin ko lang dito, okay, kapag gagawin nyo na to, it should be your own version. Okay? Kung ano yung version na gamit nyo sa desktop nyo. Okay? Kasi mahalata ko na kinuha nyo lang to, lalo na yung may mga arrows pa. Okay? So dapat, kung gamit nyo 2017, 2017 dapat. Kung 2016, 2016 dapat. Okay? And then one more thing. So of course, iba na mismo yung layout or yung mga parts mismo ng from 2004 to 2017 version or 2020. So hanapin nyo na mismo, okay? So is an additional task for you na dapat alam nyo kung nasan yung number 1, nasan yung number 2, nasan yung number 3. So yung mga number 1, 2, 3 niyan, eto siya. Nasan yung title bar, nasan yung title bar icon, yung ruler, yung insertion point, yung document, etc. etc. Okay? So, hindi siya kaparehas ng old version. And then for the rest, same naman na siya. Okay, gawin nyo lang yan kung ano yung meron dito. Okay, so may mga instruction naman kung paano siya gawin. Gamit nyo ng equation para magawa nyo to and then just type it. Okay? So, are we clear so far? Regarding with your lab number 3? Tapos ito rin yung ibang information para saktong-sakto talaga. So just disregard this one, yung letter I. Drive, save the document in Drive C kasi nga this one is instruction for the face-to-face class before. Okay. Pero since nasa ODL tayo, so dito nyo sasubmit. Okay, sa lab number 3. Okay, this is also 100 points. Okay? And yeah, so hindi ko pa sure kung anong date ko ibibigay itong quiz number 2 nyo. But maybe this coming Tuesday or Wednesday. So within that date. So hindi ko pa sure kung anong date mismo doon. So titignan ko muna. Okay? And for the case study number 2, same lang din naman. Meron kayong facts dito and then merong question. Okay. So, yeah, may isa na nakasagot actually si Miss Azuzana. So, make sure to answer that one also. Okay? Okay, so yun lang naman yung agenda natin for today. And then lastly, ano ba yung sinabi ko sa announcement? Lastly, you've mentioned here about Q&A, with your concerns or clarifications regarding with the quizzes or laboratories. So quizzes, of course, wala pa kayong questions since hindi pa kayo nakapag-quiz. Pero how about laboratories? Do you guys have a question? or with our modules or with the video maybe, if I wasn't able to explain it clearly. Anyone? So if you feel or you're quite shy to say it via via your speaker or via your mic, so you can use our chat box. Okay, you can just type your question or concern. Or if you don't have, so let me know that you don't have a question. So I know that everything is clear. Diyan pa ba kayo?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, hindi ka nila building?
Ano yan?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, sir, yung sa references pala sa lab 2, yung contact person. Okay. So, punta na lang natin. Apps. Ito. Okay, sige. For lab 1, of course, it's just with the use of Paint. Kayo na bahala. Paint or Paint 3D. So, sa mga walang Paint or Paint 3D, kapag ang gamit niyo is Apple, so you can use Paintbrush. That's the counterpart of Paint or Paint 3D in Windows. And for the second laboratory, so of course we're going to create here a personal resume. And then the other one, so ito yung format mismo ng resume, di ba? And then meron ditong parang recommendation. So gawin nyo rin to. Okay? So dalawa yan. And regarding with the references, so you can change this one. Ito kasi, ano po ba ilagay? Yes, dapat talaga yung ilalagay yung references dito is ako yung isa. Kasi ako yung nakakilala sa inyo. Okay? Kasi just to give you an idea kung para saan ba itong mga references na to. Just for example, mag-apply ka na sa trabaho. Let's say graduate ka na sa kurso mo. So ngayon, of course, lagi may mga references dyan. At least 3. Okay? Mas maganda nga 5. Mas marami, mas maganda. Pero 3 is a minimum. So, etong mga tao na to, ito yung tatawagan nila. Tatawagan ng company to kung mabait ba talaga tong taong to, kamusta siya nung high school siya, nung college siya. So, kasi ilalagay mo rin dito kung kaano-ano mo ba yung tao na nilagay mo dito. So, let's say kung former instructor mo yon, so tatanungin sa instructor mo dati na, hello po sir, ganito ganyan, kamusta po siya nung college, student pa lang siya. So, pala absent ba siya? Mabait ba siya? Ganon. So, yun. Parang character check, kumbaga. Sir, dyan sa letter and resume, mag-iba yung location. Hindi, magkapares lang. Okay? So, nasa iisang Microsoft Word lang yun. Okay? So, let's say, nakakonsume kayo ng So let's say naka-consume kayo ng 2 page, di ba? So another page na lang ulit sa baba. Create ng another page. So another page na lang yung sa recommendation. So this is your resume and then the other one is your recommendation. Okay? And then this is your resume. And then save it as, one file. And then that is the one that you're going to submit here in laboratory number 2. Okay, so I hope I was able to answer your question. And then 133 yung sa letter, yung isa sir, taas yung sa resume pareho. Ha? What do you mean 133 and 141? One, three yung sa letter, yung isa sir sa taas, yung sa resume parehong location 141. You mean the address? Okay, the address of the that person. So ito kasi ang nilagay dito is yung number mismo ng office ng SEA. So dito mismo dapat ang ilalagay niyo is yung contact number. Okay, yung contact number mismo ng tao na yun. So 09, blah blah blah, or kung landline 07, blah blah blah. Okay. So yung location, never mind that one. Okay, so you can remove that one if you want. Pwede yung mag-come up sa random number. Okay, kahit hindi naman yung totoong number ng tao na yan. Since pa lang naman to, parang practice nyo pa lang sa paggawa nyo ng resume. Okay? And then for the recommendation, just copy everything. And then here, for you to be able to get the logo of UC, naman, kailangan realistic as possible. Okay. Well, actually, wala pang masyadong pan dito eh. Information na parang ito mga normal, meron talaga itong mga itong mga interest, itong mga lalo na itong education, tapos itong personal information. So kailangan to sa resume. Well, actually, wala namang standard. Pero mostly of course, yung information about you. Pwede kang magdagdag if you want. Okay? At hindi ko alam kung ano pa yung madadagdag mo, pero mostly nandito na kasi. Basta ang goal ng resume mo is dapat ma-impress yung HR, okay, or yung nagbabasa mismo ng resume mo. Say marami kang inattendan na webinars, marami kang achievements, ganito, ganyan, etc. etc. Okay? Okay, so any other question? So again, here in logo, so you can use a snipping tool. So type nyo lang, snipping tool. Okay, and then lalabas yan. And then you can now grab that certain logo. And then you can just save this one as a JPEG, and then you can use this picture to your Microsoft Word. So actually, pwedeng rekta na eh. So kapag yan, Control-C nyo lang doon, and then Control-V dito. Ayan, so may logo ka na dito. Okay, so pwede mo na lang siya i-format para maayos mo na maigi. Ayan. Oops. Okay. So, ganun. Alright. So, there's one more question. Sir, kasama ba yung sa nursery, kinder sa education? 2 years old ako, nagsimula mag-aral. Sir, 5 years ako sa nursery, kinder das. Yeah. It's okay. Pero ilagay mo na lang siguro yung pinaka-latest. Okay, like, ano ba? Ano ba nakalagay dito? Education. Okay, so kahit wag na siguro yung kwan. Wag na yung kinder. Masyado naman yata yung kinder. Kahit hanggang elementary lang. Elementary hanggang college. Okay? So do not include nursery anymore. Okay. So any other questions so far? Question? What are the other things that you guys would like to know? Okay, so welcome, Miss Leal. Sir, pag walang achievements or experience, yes. NA na lang. Okay. So NA stands for not available. So laging ganyan lang, NA. Okay, any other question, guys? So leaving ko lang, we have a total of 6 modules. Actually 7 pero hindi ko na-include yung last. 6 modules in midterms, okay, before your midterm exam. And then 3 modules, okay, for the finals, before your final exam. All right. So we still have 4 minutes. So maximize na natin. So sir, okay lang ba ibang UC logo na gamit ko sa application letter ko? Yeah, I guess it's okay. As long as super the same. Huwag lang yung ibang-iba. Okay. Any other question, guys?
None, sir.
Sir, what if di maalala yung mga achievements namin before? Dapat alalahanin nyo. Okay? Actually, yan yung alas nyo eh. Okay? Kung bakit kayo i-hire. Gano'n na ba karami yung attainments mo sa buhay? Okay? Kasi syempre sa mundo ng mga trabaho, competence, dapat competent ka. Okay? So dapat ngayon pa lang, alamin mo na yung mga achievements mo. Ano ka ba? Valedictorian ka pa nung elementary ka, valedictorian ka pa nung high school ka, summa cum laude ka ba, gano'n, nag-dean's lister ka ba. So pwede mong ilagay yon. Like, dapat yun yung mga pinagmamayabang natin, yung mga achievements natin sa buhay natin. Well, educational attainment, hindi yung mga ibang achievements. Okay. So try mong alalahanin, Mr. Jordan Angelo. Para kapag gagawa ka na ng official resume mo, once you graduated here in UC, so madali na lang. Copy-paste mo na lang, i-revise mo na lang, modify mo na lang. Okay, so any other question? So we still have 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay, so wala nang question. So, okay, so dito na tayo mag-end kung wala nang questions pa. So, you guys may know go and let's just meet again next meeting. Di pala next meeting, next meeting. Okay, that would be next week. Kasi bukas mag-quiz kayo. Okay? So again, your quiz will be open tomorrow, 11:30 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. Multiple choice lang naman sa type of quiz. Okay.
Sir, about saan na yun? Doon sa Module 1?
Module 1.
Ano ba yun?
Yes,
Oo.
Module 1 lang.
Okay, sige sir. Thank you po.
PDF na lang, okay?
Okay.
All right. So if you guys don't have a question anymore, then you guys may now go. And thank you for attending our Zoom meeting. And see you guys next week. Okay. Keep safe.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Keep safe.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Yes,
Goodbye.
sir.
Thank you,
Bye.
sir. Sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you then.